Hi, welcome to Inspire UI. Let's continue with the series of videos showing you how to create your own mobile app using FluxBuilder App Builder. Let's explore how to configure the fancy scroll category layout, a brand new layout alongside our existing 8 category layouts. Sign in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select the app you created, or select any of the apps in the Featured Apps section below. Select the Fancy Scroll item to configure a Fancy Scroll category. Let's see how the Fancy Scroll category is displayed. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.